Hi, I'm Anaya, one of your guides to connected care. Right now, patient information is often contained in many different systems, making it hard for healthcare clinicians to get a complete picture of a patient when they need it most. But what if your health information could seamlessly follow you wherever you go? That's exactly what the Pan-Canadian Patient Summary is designed to do. A patient summary is a concise digital snapshot of your most important health information. It includes key details like medications, allergies, immunizations, and medical history, ensuring that healthcare clinicians have the right information at the right time, wherever care is provided. This means better care coordination, safer treatment decisions, and less duplication, especially when you're visiting a new provider or in an emergency situation. The Pan-Canadian Patient Summary follows international best practices. It is based on the International Patient Summary, or IPS, a globally recognized standard that ensures key health data can be shared securely across healthcare systems, between care teams, and, most importantly, to patients. In Canada, this standard has been adapted to fit our unique healthcare landscape, supporting consistent and seamless integration within provinces and territories and across healthcare settings. So how does it work? Across Canada, healthcare clinicians use different systems to manage patient records. While this allows flexibility, it can sometimes create challenges when sharing data across different settings. That's where standards come in. A standard is a common framework to ensure that patient data is structured, consistent, and securely accessible when and where it's needed. The Pan-Canadian Patient Summary, or PSCA, is designed to support interoperability, allowing key health details like medications, allergies, and medical history to follow patients wherever they go. By aligning with the shared Pan-Canadian Interoperability Roadmap, Infoway is collaborating with provinces, territories, and partners to implement PSCA nationwide. PSCA provides the technical framework and clinical terminology, allowing different healthcare systems to securely exchange patient data while maintaining accuracy and privacy. This ensures that clinicians always have reliable access to the critical information needed for informed decision-making. Beyond improving immediate access to patient data, standards like PSCA lay the groundwork for future innovations, including enhanced clinical decision support, data-driven healthcare improvements, and secure patient access to their own records. So, what does this mean for you? For patients, it means better access to your health information, more coordinated and continuous care, especially across different settings and healthcare clinicians, and reduced wait times and unnecessary tests, saving you time and effort. For healthcare clinicians, it means faster, more informed decisions, less paperwork and administrative burden, and more time focused on patient care, not tracking down records. For the healthcare system, it means a more connected and responsive healthcare system for all Canadians. Infoway is leading the charge to bring patient summaries to life across Canada. We're working with provinces and territories, healthcare clinicians, industry leaders, and many more partners to ensure the patient summary is widely adopted and seamlessly integrated across healthcare systems. As part of the shared Pan-Canadian Interoperability Roadmap, this initiative is a foundational pillar to delivering a modern, connected healthcare system that puts patients at its heart. The future of healthcare is connected. The patient summary is transforming how information flows, creating a safer, smarter, and more connected system for everyone. Get involved now and join us in shaping the future of Canadian healthcare.